Hey there, my friend. In this video, we're going to chat about 5 things you really should kick out of your home right away, because they're kind of like magnets for poverty and stagnation. Now, I know it might sound a bit out there, but trust me, it's crucial you give this a good listen. If you're feeling stuck in a rut, everything you want is just slipping through your fingers, it's probably got something to do with one or more of these 5 things. So hang tight, because I'm going to break it all down for you, what they are, and why you should let them go. But before we dive in, how about you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, maybe give this video a like too, and share it with the folks you care about. Spread the good vibes, you know? Hey, drop a comment below. Let me know how open you are to receiving blessings from the universe. Just put it out there and let your gratitude ripple out like a pebble in a pond, attracting all that good stuff you're yearning for. Now, if you're kind of skeptical about the whole law of attraction thing, well, maybe this video ain't your cup of tea. But if you're down for it, stick around till the end. Trust me, it's worth it. All right, so first, you got to understand, my friend, everything in this world is energy. Yep, everything. From you to that old chair in the corner, it's all buzzing with some kind of vibration that's either pushing you forward or holding you back. I'll tell you, when I first wrapped my head around this, I started looking at all the stuff I had, and wow, some of it was just weighing me down like an anchor tied to my past. So I started clearing it out, and let me tell you, it was like opening the floodgates. Miracles I never even dreamed of started happening in my life. So do yourself a favor, take a few minutes and really pay attention to this. This info's got some serious power behind it, and if you let it, it'll work wonders in your life too. So the first thing we're talking about here is your old clothes. You know, the ones you don't even wear anymore. When you pick up a piece of clothing, it's got a certain vibe to it, like a snapshot of where you were at when you bought it. Think back, there's probably a shirt or a dress you used to love, wore it all the time, tough, but now it's just gathering dust in the back of your closet. Ever wonder why? It's because you've changed, my friend. We're all growing, evolving, and what worked for you back then might not click with who you are now. Those old clothes, they're like little time capsules holding on to the energy of your past. And that's cool and all, but here's the thing. If you keep holding on to them, they're going to keep you anchored to where you were, not where you're going. So, yeah, it's time to clear out that closet. Only keep the stuff that makes you feel good. Happy, comfy, confident when you see yourself in the mirror. All right, so here's the deal with those old clothes, the ones you haven't worn in ages. If they're still in good shape, why not donate them? Pass them on to someone who could really use them. But if they're past their prime, it's time to toss them. But hey, before you do that, don't just chuck them in a bag and call it a day. Take a moment, hold each piece in your hands, and just say, thanks for the memories. Sounds a bit out there, but trust me, each of those clothes has its own energy. They've been with you through some good times, right? So give them a proper send-off. By doing this, you're not just getting rid of old stuff, you're making space, literally and energetically, for new, exciting experiences to flow into your life. It's like hitting the reset button, clearing out the old to welcome the new. Now, let's talk about those broken things lying around your house, like that cracked mirror or the chipped vase you keep meaning to fix but never get around to. Here's the thing, my friend. Your home is like your sanctuary, your temple, and you gotta treat it with the love and care it deserves. When you keep broken stuff around, it messes with the energy flow like a clog in a pipe. It might not seem like a big deal, a little chip here, a crack there, but these things carry negative vibes that can really mess with your overall well-being. Instead of trying to patch them up, it's often better to just let them go. Once something's broken, it's lost that original spark, and now it's just holding you back. So, just like with your old clothes, give those broken items a moment of gratitude. Thank them for the role they played in your life, then release them. And this isn't just about decluttering, it's about freeing up space for positive energy to flow into your home and your life. Trust me, when you start letting go of these things, you'll feel a shift. Your home will start to feel lighter, more peaceful, and that's when the good stuff starts to happen. Just like you did with those old clothes, it's time to bid farewell to those broken objects with a little gratitude, my friend. You gotta thank them for the service they've provided, for the role they played in your life. Take a moment to remember the moments, the memories, even if they're small. Then let them go, responsibly, of course. This little act of gratitude, It's powerful. It helps release any lingering energy those objects might be holding onto, clearing the way for new positive vibes to flow into your space. Trust me, once you start clearing out the broken stuff, you'll feel a shift. Your home will feel lighter, more peaceful, and honestly, a lot more welcoming. The energy will start moving freely, and you'll find a renewed sense of peace and clarity in your space. It's kind of like clearing the cobwebs out of your mind. So make it a habit to regularly check your home for anything that's broken or worn out. Don't let those things pile up. Keeping a clutter-free and well-maintained home is more than just good housekeeping. It's creating an environment that really supports your well-being and growth. Your home, it's like a mirror to your state of mind. So keeping it free from broken objects, that's a simple but powerful way to boost the positive energy in your life. Embrace it and watch how your space and your life starts to transform. Now, let's talk about something you might not have thought much about: your shoes. Yep, your shoes. One of my greatest metaphysics teachers once told me that the journey of your life is reflected in the shoes you wear. Crazy, right? But it makes sense when you think about it. Your shoes aren't just there to protect your feet. They carry energy too, and they can seriously influence the path you're on in life. That's why it's so important to keep them clean and in good shape. So when you get home, take a few minutes to clean your shoes. It's a small thing, but it keeps any negative or external energy they might have picked up from getting into your home, your sanctuary, your temple. Think about it. If your shoes are worn out and dirty, do you really want that kind of energy paving the way for you? Probably not, right? Keeping your shoes in good condition is like making sure your journey through life is smooth and positive. And if your shoes are beyond repair, too worn out to fix, well, it's time to let them go and get a new pair. New shoes don't just feel good on your feet, they're like a symbol of a fresh start, a clear path ahead. So show your shoes some love and care. It's a simple habit, but it's one that can make a big difference in how you move through the world. You're not just taking care of an accessory, you're nurturing the journey of your life. And that, my friend, is a powerful thing. Your shoes, my friend, they bear the weight of your entire being every single day, soaking up all the vibes from the world around you as you go about your daily life. That's a big job, right? So it's only fair to show them some love and care. Keeping your shoes clean and in good condition might seem like a small thing, but trust me, it's got a big impact. When you take a little time to clean them regularly, you're not just sprucing up an accessory, you're actually nurturing the journey of your life. It's like adding a little positive energy to your home and stepping forward with a bit more confidence and clarity each day. So the next time you walk through your front door, take a moment to give your shoes some attention. Check them for wear and tear, and if they're too far gone, don't hesitate to replace them. By doing this, you're making sure your life's path stays clear and positive. Remember, a clean and well-kept pair of shoes is more than just looking sharp. It's a reflection of the path you're walking in life and the energy you carry with you. Now let's talk about something that needs a bit of special attention: those objects and clothes that belong to people who are no longer with us, those who've passed on. I know it's natural to want to hang on to these things to keep the memories alive. But here's the thing, those memories, they should live in your mind and heart, not in physical objects. The rest is just energy tied to the past. If someone's no longer in your life, it's time to let their belongings go. Let their spirit continue on its journey without holding on to their things. Keeping these items around can create emotional stagnation in your home, blocking fresh and positive energy from coming in. Instead, try focusing on what's part of your life right now, in the present. The past is gone. It doesn't exist in the physical world anymore. Like the saying goes, let the dead bury their own dead. By letting go of these objects, you open up space for new memories and experiences that align with who you are today. It's not about forgetting those you've lost. It's about honoring them by moving forward. Clearing your living space of past energies helps keep it fresh and vibrant, like making room for you to thrive and welcome all the good things coming your way. And finally, let's tackle clutter. I know, clutter can sneak up on us all. But here's the thing. The energy in your house needs to flow freely like a river. The lighter your space, the easier that energy can circulate. So try to keep things organized. Open those windows, let the air and sunlight in, And don't let stuff pile up where it shouldn't. Throw in some plants that make you smile. Let them add a little extra joy to your space. And hey, make your bed every morning and give it a little thanks for the rest it gives you. Remember, even your bed is energy. The goal here isn't about having a luxury pad. It's about keeping energy in motion. When your home is clean and harmonious, you'll start to feel a shift. Things will feel lighter, and you'll notice how situations in your life start to sort themselves out. Let the energy flow and watch your life transform. But don't just take my word for it. Give it a try yourself and see what happens. One day, a wise metaphysics teacher told me something that really stuck with me. If you want your present to be wonderful, your past must die. It hit me like a ton of bricks, but it's true. To really live in the now, to invite in all the good stuff life has to offer, we've got to let go of the old energy that's no longer serving us. So, clean your house, my friend. Get rid of all that negative energy that's just lingering around, not doing you any favors. When you do, you'll start seeing miracles unfold in your life. Trust me on this one. As we wrap up this little chat, I want you to remember something important. The state of our home has a huge impact on our energy and overall well-being. It's kind of wild how just a few simple changes in our surroundings can ripple out and change our whole lives. When we clear out things like old clothes, broken objects, and even those sentimental items tied to loved ones who've passed on, we're not just making space in our closets, we're making room for positive energy to flow freely through our lives. It's like a beautiful dance between our environment and our own inner energy. When we surround ourselves with things that resonate with who we are now, we open the door to incredible transformations. And hey, don't forget the power of gratitude as you say goodbye to your old belongings. It's a way to honor the role they played in your life and to embrace the new chapter that's waiting for you. Getting rid of clutter and creating a space filled with things you truly love and connect with isn't about having a picture-perfect home or spending a ton of money on fancy decor. It's about filling your home with positive vibes. Whether it's by cracking open a window to let in some fresh air and sunlight, adding a few plants that make you smile, or just keeping things tidy, these small but powerful steps can invite miracles into your life. It's like a domino effect. Once you start aligning your physical space with your energy, you'll start to feel lighter, more at peace, and things will just start falling into place. It's an exciting journey of self-discovery and intentional living. So I'm encouraging you right here and now to take action. Start this journey of creating a space that not only nurtures your spirit, but also propels you forward in life. Watch how these changes start to spill over into other areas of your life. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, your safe haven, and by bringing in its energy into harmony, you're setting the stage for amazing things to happen. Let's embrace the power of our environment, let that positive energy flow, and watch the magic unfold in our lives. If you found this chat helpful or inspiring, go ahead and leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, may God always bless you. Thank you so much for being here with me.